Hello, my dear students. Today we'll start with secretarial practice uh, with the same topic company meetings part 2. Today we will discuss creditors meeting. So, dear students, what is creditors meeting? You all know that company can hold meeting of creditors, right? Like debenture holders, depositors, company bankers, lenders, etc. to discuss on certain issues relating to the terms and conditions of loan which affect their interest. So this is known as creditors meeting. You all know that company basically has two types of capital, its owned capital and borrowed capital, right? Company can arrange or make its own capital, right? But sometimes if the company is in need of extra capital, so what the company will do, the company will borrow the funds, right? So borrow the funds, so from where the company will going to borrow the funds? From debenture holders, the depositors, the company bankers, right? The company can take loan from the bank, all this. So to discuss on certain issues relating to the terms and conditions which affect their interest. For example, to alter the rate of interest, right? If the rate of interest has to be changed, then to alter the terms of security or modify the rights of creditors, etc., right? So when a company is in financial difficulty, it may call meeting of creditors to secure their support, right? That means the when a company is in a financial difficulty, that means the company is not strong in case of finance, it is in a crisis of problem of finance, so at the time the company will going to call creditors meeting. Clear? Then next we will see what are the functions of secretary related to annual general meeting, right? That means we have completed annual general meeting. In this we will start with the functions, what is the work done by secretary before the annual general meeting, during the annual general meeting, and after the annual general meeting. So what the work will be done by secretary? First we will learn what work is done by secretary before the annual general meeting. Number one point you can see on the screen: fixing the board meeting, right? That means the first work which is done by secretary is to arrange the board meeting, right? That means to fix the date, time and place of the annual general meeting. Then secondly, you all know that if the meeting is there, then the secretary has to issue the notice, and secretary will issue notice of 21 days clear notice to the shareholders. The next you can see speech of the chairman, right? Secretary will assist the chairman in preparing the speech. The next point, preliminary arrangement, right? Preliminary arrangement, that means secretary books the hall and make needful arrangement for the meeting. The next point you can see company accounts. Secretary has to see that accounts are finalized and get the statement of profit and loss and balance sheet audited, right? Then secretary has to prepare annual report. So these are the functions which the secretary has to do before starting the annual general meeting. The next we can see what are the different functions which is done by the secretary during the annual general meeting, right? During the meeting. So number one is attendance. Secretary will going to arrange or check the attendance of members and their signature. Then quorum, right? Secretary will ensure that whether the quorum is present or not, proper quorum is present or not, and it will going to report to the chairman. The next, reading reports. Secretary reads the notice and the director's report and any other report at the beginning of the meeting. The next is writing the proceedings, right? That means secretary will going to note down the proceedings of the meeting. I told you that whatever the decisions is there in the meeting, the secretary will going to note down the points, and after noting down the points he will going to write that points in minutes book, right? So then next is helps chairman. Secretary provides information, material, etc. to the chairman as and when needed for smooth conduct of the meeting. And the last point is conduct poll, right? Secretary makes arrangement for conducting the poll if it is demanded by the members. So these are the functions which has to be done by the secretary during the annual general meeting. The last one we can see what are the functions which is to be done by the secretary after the annual general meeting, right? So number 1 point, drafting the minutes, right? Secretary has to draft the minutes of the meeting and gives the same to the chairman for approval. Then number 2 point, implementing decisions, right? Secretary instruct the concerned officer for implementing the decisions taken at the meeting. Then sending documents and filing resolutions, that means secretary has to send dividend warrants to the members and file annual report with the registrar, right? And here the special resolution has to be passed, and the same resolution has to be registrar with the ROC, that means registrar of company, within 30 days of passing. And the last point is send information to absent members, that means the member who have not attended the board meetings, then the same information has to be passed uh, to the absent members. So clear students, what we have learned? We have learned creditors meeting, then what are the functions of secretary related with annual general meeting. In that we have learned functions which are related before the meeting, during the meeting and after the meeting. Thank you.